Okay, so we set up our source, we got the server running locally, and this is
Yeah,
working. Now we're going to set up a VPS so other people can access it and make a production environment.
exactly.
Okay.
Okay, go to OVH.
Um, this here?
Yep, they sell cheap VPSs that are pretty good.
Okay.
Go to bare metal and VPS, top left.
Yeah.
This one's in Canada, that will be close to you. That's perfect for you.
Okay.
You see VPS virtual private servers, yeah, or VPS solutions. Let's pick the.
This is how many people I intend on having on the server.
What do you mean? Yeah, that I guess that too. But
Like
I
how
think
much
the four.
how many cores do you have on your server?
I think I got the four cores one,
Four.
but you don't need that one. You don't need that
So four
much.
cores handles
And,
like 100 people.
four cores can handle 100 people. Yeah.
So let's say I want like 10 people, I would do one core.
No, because this is Java, and it's taking up a lot of memory.
Mm,
2 gigabytes of memory will be very close to what it's gonna need. So let's get four
four.
gigabyte. Yeah.
24 months.
If you want to buy to commit for a year, then yes. If not,
Without
no.
commitment. Oh, I see. I'll just do without commitment.
Okay. Order now.
Okay. Uh, so it's gonna be 15. Can I choose, like, let's say I don't want to operate it 1 month, I could just not pay for it? Or
If what?
is it recurring every month?
Yeah, it's recurring every month.
Okay.
Do you prefer the kind of solution where mm, 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 do you want to be able to shut it down?
Uh, what do you mean? Like the whole server so people can't access it?
To be able to shut it down so you don't have to pay for it.
Oh, so this is permanent?
This is permanent until you cancel it.
Yeah, okay, that should be fine, right? And then if I decide I don't want to do it anymore, I just cancel it?
Yeah,
Is there a
that's fine.
cancellation fee?
Nope.
Okay.
Just every month until you cancel it.
Okay. What's the maximum amount of people I could have with this? What do you think?
Probably 100.
Okay, that's good. That's fine for me. I can always upgrade it my server later, right?
Yeah, you will get a dashboard where you can upgrade it later.
Cool. Okay.
Yep.
So
4
that.
gigabyte is between 50 players to 100 players.
Mhm.
That will be around that.
Okay, cool. So that's that distribution with application. Or
Oh, distribution only.
okay.
Oh,
Ubuntu
yeah,
or
Ubuntu is fine. If you want a Windows server, that's $15 extra a month.
okay.
You see at the bottom. But let's do Ubuntu. That's Linux, by the way.
Yeah. Okay. So like this, North
You don't.
America,
Yeah, that's fine.
just one.
Continue.
Oh, it's 20.
We don't need
Okay.
here. Nothing.
113. We don't need backup. Okay, continue.
You can back up on your own if you want.
Yeah.
Why? Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Or maybe I should do this.
Up to you.
30%. It's not gonna
That's
charge.
2 years.
Is it gonna charge me all at once or every month?
Probably every month,
But I can cancel it
but
anytime, or no?
no, you can't.
Oh.
This is the 12 month and 24 month is are commitments.
Hmm. Okay, I'll just do without commitment then.
You can, if you really want, you can commit later. They have the option in the dashboard.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, log pay.
Log in and pay. I don't have an account.
Uh, Create an account. If you if you want, we can stop the call.
No, it's okay.
If you don't care, we can continue.
I don't care. Confirm. Oh, create an account. Okay. So, question. All the bugs that are getting reported in your server, people reporting bugs,
Yeah,
are these part of the Cosmic client?
not necessarily.
Are these bugs that you created because you added certain developments?
Yep.
Okay. If I find a bug, to resolve the bug, I need to go into the source or into the database and like just play around with it until I fix it.
Yep.
And you just get used to that over time. Like you get used to,
Yeah, you learn where is everything, and
and that's not something you could teach me. I just have to get used to it on my own. Cause
that's a lot of
yeah,
teaching.
yeah, it's too much stuff. Okay, I guess I could search like
There's-
I could do like Control F and search a keyword and find out which file it's in. Are these called classes in Java? What are they called?
Yeah, open. This is a file. Every file will usually have one class,
Yeah, okay. Buddy list.
but not always.
So I could just Control F and then find like a certain word related to
Yeah, if you want to look for a certain word in a project,
yeah
go to the project itself.
the
Like click on the Java.
wait what here this
No, no, lower to the SRC or Java. Yeah.
yeah
Now Control Shift F.
Control Shift F.
Yeah, this is where you can look for a keyword.
Okay, so if I want
Like
to
look for gachapon, for example.
gachapon.
Yeah, look for the gachap one of yeah for this one example.
Okay,
This one, for example. This will show you the list for. Oh, this is the gachapon command.
okay, yeah, I did it before. You do at gacha and you put the town.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
For things like quest text, is that stored in the source or is that stored in the database?
Some of the some of the quest text is stored inside the scripts, which is another folder in the Cosmic
These
project.
scripts here.
Yeah, there's a quest there.
Quest.
Some of the quests are stored here,
Jeez, there's so
but
much.
most of the quest, yeah,
Oh, it's
this
Roger's
quest
apple.
name,
I see.
quest IDs.
Yeah. This.
Most of the quests are stored inside the WZ files.
Wow. There's so much stuff to go over. Oh my god.
Yeah, you need to know JavaScript if you know to mess with, if you want to mess with NPCs and whatnot.
I know some JavaScript. I mean, it's not too hard. It's
Yeah.
just
You need to understand that the function start is what will be called in the beginning.
what is this QM?
QM is the quest manager.
Where is this
It's a
initiated?
Java. Go back to the source. It's just a reference to a Java quest manager instance. Look, go to scripting,
Scripting?
the scripting package. Yeah, go to quest. You have a quest script manager.
Yeah.
All these functions that you see here
Yeah.
are available to you through the QM.
Okay, so I could technically make my own quests if I wanted to.
Yeah, and you can also create your own NPCs,
God,
your own everything.
I'm on that.
You can
Yeah.
and this quest script manager extends the abstract script manager, which has more functions you can use.
Oh boy. Okay, this
These
is
are functions.
it's a little overwhelming right now. I'm gonna ignore this for now.
Okay.
For now, I think
You
I'm
can.
just gonna run my server and let's publish it, and then I'll just make a Discord and have people join, and then I'll make like a bug chat, and then
Yeah.
I'll try to figure out. Is it okay if somebody reports a bug and then I say, hey, there's this bug, and then like we do one together just so I could like see how it works?
Yeah, if you
Which
find a bug, we can do one together.
you don't mind if we do one together? Okay.
I'll show you where to look at.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay.
If
So
it's a serious one, and maybe if I also have it, I might solve it on the spot.
yeah. Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
let's finish this. So individual.
Yep.
Okay. Language English. Create account. Okay. Sure. We'll do PayPal. Sure. Okay. Okay. Yeah. PayPal. Agree and pay. Click continue. Pay. Your order has been processed. Okay, cool.
Okay, now it usually takes them
Yep.
sometimes few minutes, sometimes few hours to send you the email of the credentials to look to get into the server.
Mhm.
And we actually need that for me to show you how to do it. So we either wait it out or continue later or when you receive the mail or whatnot. But for now, let me show you how to
Let me check my email. Maybe it already came.
go to the dashboard. You should be able to
Here?
see it there.
Wait, it says not yet complete. Why? Within a maximum of 24 hours. Okay. Okay, where do I go?
Go to the track my view view wait, track my order maybe.
Do I want two-factor? Oh, here's dashboard.
Yeah, they want you to they want you to two-factor your account.
No.
Okay, you'll see the VPS on the bottom left when it arrives in my products and services
Okay.
or in my bare metal cloud. It will also be there
In where?
on the top.
At the top?
In the top left, you see bare metal cloud.
Oh, yes. Okay. Okay.
Here you have virtual private servers. Yeah, you'll be able to see it here when they are done setting it up.
Mhm.
Uh,
Oh, I got
for
it.
now,
Please confirm that your order has been validated. You will be delivered as soon as possible. Okay.
yeah,
For now,
you'll receive an email.
preparing order. Okay. Can we do anything in the meantime, or we have to wait?
Yeah, we can do something.
Okay.
Um, let's see that it compiles the jar file correctly for now, which is what you will use for production.
Okay.
Uh, go to the in IDE in the IDEA. Go to the top left, build.
Wait, what?
You have the build tab, the build drop down.
Build, yeah.
Yeah, build artifacts,
Mhm.
build. Okay, let's see if it's building right. Okay, Let's see, it should have created a dist folder.
Um,
Yeah, on the top.
it did this here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Does it say cosmic.jar?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the size of it? Open the file.
How do I check?
Um, I don't know. Go to the project through the file system.
It's in C. Users. User projects. Cosmic.
What do you have a shortcut for?
Oh, sorry. Cosmic Dodger
Okay, yeah, the
is
size is fine.
2.23 megabytes.
Means that the the other stuff weren't included.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to send you over two files now
Okay.
that I created just so things are more convenient.
Mhm.
Yes. Okay. Download these two files and add them to the project directory.
How do I add them to the project directory? And where?
Just copy paste.
Like just okay.
Yeah, in the root directory.
Like here?
Yeah.
Okay. Do I need to do something inside of IDEA to include them into the project?
Nope. Just open maximize idea now.
Okay.
Open the new two projects.
Do I need to
The new two files.
do I refresh?
Open. No, it's there. The red ones.
Oh, okay.
Double click it.
Mhm.
Let's see. Looks fine. Open the launch one. Change the WZ path to the same way they have it now.
Uh,
You can see it in the launch.bat.
launch.bat like this here?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Just this part?
Yep.
Like that.
Exactly. Now open the launch.bat again. You see target slash cosmic.
Mhm.
Change it to dist slash cosmic.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, you're good to go. Um, go to the project. Go to the project directory with Explorer. Close the server here.
Clo okay, stop.
Yeah.
This will close
Let's
this.
see if let's see if it runs now without idea.
Oh, we got it. We got an
Oh, we
email.
got it.
Your VPS has been installed in the following
Yeah.
operating system. Okay, we have a
Yeah,
server.
you got it. Yeah. Okay. Download Putty.
Oh yeah, Putty. I remember Putty. Download Putty. Which one?
Nah, first one is fine.
X8064. Okay,
Yeah.
whatever. Okay.
Yeah. Download WinSCP.
Win SCP.
Yeah. WinSCP is how you're going to conveniently access the file system of the Linux server. and PuTTY is how you're going to access the terminal and interact with the server.
Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
download both of them.
wait, I already did putty, didn't I?
Did you?
Pretty sure. I'll just do it again just to be safe. Oh no, yeah, I have it installed. Okay. And then
Okay.
WinSCP install for all users. Sure. Accept typical installation.
Yeah.
Commander.
Yeah. Install.
Do I launch
It's fine.
just like this? Launch.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, minimize it for now.
Okay.
Open PuTTY.
Putty. Okay.
Type here the server IP. You got it in the email.
Um, 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 um. Okay.
Do the
Can I
same.
use the VPS as a VPN or no?
You can use the VPS as a VPN, yeah. But you need to install the some program that will do it for you.
Okay. SSH.
Yeah, SSH. Click on save. Wait, give it a saved. You see in the saved session, give it a name there.
Here.
Name it. Yeah, give it some name.
Maple server. Save.
Okay, save. Double click it. Accept. The username they gave you in the email is Ubuntu, and also copy the password.
Okay. Oops.
Yeah,
What? Oh, there's so many things open. Where is it?
and get used to it.
Where is
Open party on the top. Yeah, type in Ubuntu. Now wait. Just right click once and enter.
no?
You didn't copy it correctly then. Copy it again.
I got it.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
The way you paste stuff into Putty is just by right clicking.
Okay.
That's all. Okay?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
maximize it. We need to install MySQL. The way I do it is I don't like you have to interact with Linux all the time with through commands. You don't have to remember all of them. You just need to know how to use Google. Open Google, type in Ubuntu, how to install MySQL. Yeah, first one, DigitalOcean is a very good place to get all of these. We don't need to do the first command, just do the second one. Yeah, you have a copy on the right. Yeah, now right click, enter. Y, enter. Okay, we do need to update then.
Do I do it again? Like this?
Yeah. Just like Maple, you can press up to get back to the last command.
Cool. Okay.
So click up twice. Yeah, enter. Y, big Y.
Oh,
It's fine.
I don't think it matters. So what are we doing right now?
Now we are setting up the production environment where people will where the server will run and where people can join your server.
So my
You
VPS
can
is just like a shell, and then we have to use putty to set up the.
No, a VPS is a full-fledged computer. Like you have your own computer
Yeah.
and there is another computer sitting somewhere in a v, in a VP in a cloud farm.
Yeah, it's not. Is it a physical machine or it's just like a
It's
cloud?
a physical machine. There is a physical machine, but VPS means virtual
Yeah.
PC something,
Mhm.
and there is one machine that if multiple containers are running inside
I
of
see.
it.
Okay.
And that's your VPS. You are sharing the computer's resources with other uh, people.
And is PuTTY a means of communicating with the VPS?
Exactly.
Okay.
PuTTY supports the SSH protocol, and with SSH you can interact with the VPS and send it basic OS commands. Like in Windows, you would create a folder by right clicking and a new folder, and
Mhm.
then you enter that folder, create a new text file, and same way.
I see.
But in Ubuntu server, you don't want to have a UI for your server because that's
Takes up memory.
occupying unnecessary resources
Yeah.
like CPU and RAM.
Right.
You just want to use the least possible resources and only focus on your program,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
So you need to know how to interact with it with SSH, and that's all.
Okay. Do we have another
And
command
now,
to do? There was a third one.
yeah, send this one as well. This will just start the MySQL service. Also,
To do.
okay, go back to the DigitalOcean, check if there are any more commands. There is a step 2, you can ignore it for now. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do that either.
Oh, because we already have our SQL server.
Yeah,
We have the dedicated SQL user. That's
you can create a new user if you want. We don't have to do that, obviously.
okay.
You can create a user that is only purpose is to log into the database and be dedicated to your game server, but that's not necessary. We'll just use the root user.
Okay.
Okay, scroll down. We don't need that. We don't need that. Check this. Scroll up. Scroll up. Check the status of the. Go scroll up a bit more. Yeah, you see there's a command to test the MySQL. Send it. Let's see that it's
Okay.
okay.
Running.
Yeah, wait. You see? Okay, it's fine. All good.
Okay.
Let's connect to the SQL. To connect to the SQL through the command line, you can look it up on Google, but you don't have to. Just type in sudo. Sudo is
Or
a
PSE.
prefix for
PSE like
is a
this.
no just sudo.
S.
sudo.
Yeah.
Yeah, that if you add sudo as a prefix to any command in Linux, it's going to open it as admin.
Okay.
Like in Windows, you have to right click and open as admin, right?
Mhm.
It's the same thing here. If you prefix any command with sudo, it will do it as an admin.
Okay.
Okay, so space MySQL, enter. Okay, now you have opened MySQL. You see that the left side changed. This is where you can insert statements. Okay, like you can use select this from that table or use that table. All of everything
Select
you're
all from
used to.
accounts. Can I do like that?
Yeah, exactly.
Should just.
Just you have to end it with dot
Oh.
with the the I forgot the name of it. Yeah, that. Okay, just type in show that shows databases.
Show.
Yeah, show databases. No, you have to end it
Oh.
with that always.
Shit.
You can click, you can send it again. Yeah, see what you sent.
Hmm.
Yeah. See, these are the typical four tables that are created for you. Same four tables that were created when you installed XAMPP,
Does it
right?
does it know which database to use?
Right now, you see your database is not there. If you want to use a specific database, you type in use space the database and end the command. It
Yeah,
will give you feedback.
but my
You can
database is
use,
not here. The one for Maple. What was it called? Cosmic?
yeah, but it's. Do you understand why it's not there?
No.
Because that's a different machine. Database you have on your machine is for development purposes.
Oh, we didn't create it yet.
You have another instance of database running on the production machine.
I see.
Ubuntu is your production environment.
I see. So how do we create that database for Maple?
Okay, to create a database, we need the four files they provided us, right?
Who provided us?
Basically, everything we did to create your development environment, we also need
Oh, yeah. And here,
to do on the Ubuntu server,
I remember now.
right?
Yeah. What was it?
Okay,
Database.
so
These ones, right?
yeah.
Okay.
So first, let's create your own Git repository. So every change you make, you can um, you can commit and follow up your changes.
Do you mean my own branch from the Cosmic source?
You can create your own branch or you can make this your own project.
Okay.
What do you prefer?
Um, what's easier? My own branch?
Make it your own.
Okay. Let's do that.
Okay, go to the project directory
No, but
through Explorer.
isn't it better to branch from Cosmic so that if they make changes, I could pull it into my own branch? Because if I make my own project, then
If
I won't get
I mean,
updates.
if you're planning on fixing stuff, and then I guess you can branch off of them and even create uh, pull requests and whatnot, and actually work with them on making the source better. But if you want to go private,
Yeah, I don't know.
um, then you need to create your own clone of the repository.
Okay. Yeah, I guess
What do you prefer?
we'll go private.
Okay, so go to GitHub, create a new repository,
Oops.
create a new repository, and I'll be right back.
Okay. What do I call it?
Wait, don't click next yet.
Okay.
Okay, don't, don't add a readme.
Don't what? Sorry?
Remove the check mark
Oh, okay.
on add a readme.
Do I need to come up with a name for my server now?
It's up to you. You can name it whatever you want.
I don't know
If you
what to
want to,
name it. I was thinking of making a server where there's no rules and I just delete all moderation and I call it like Hack Story or something.
you, yeah, but the repository name only you see.
Yeah.
No one else will see. So you can name it
Do you
whatever.
think
Even
that's a good
Maple
idea? Do you
Story.
think that will be appealing to people just to make a server where there's no rules and people could just do whatever they want?
Probably not. It's been done before. It's never been popular.
Why?
I have friends who did that before.
Okay.
Okay. Create repository.
Make it private.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Copy the SSH URL at the top. Yeah.
Do I convert it
No,
SSH
it
or HTTPS?
doesn't matter. You can just keep it HTTPS.
Okay.
Go to the directory.
Like here.
No, go to the Cosmic directory.
Um.
No, 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 no. On your computer,
What do you mean? Like here?
to your project. Yeah. Delete the .git, .github, and there's a .git.
Uh.
You
This.
need to enable. Yeah, and there's another file you don't see. Go to the file on the top. No, on the top left.
File.
File. Yeah, change folder and search options. Go to the view and scroll down. No, a bit up to the center. There should be show hidden files or show something.
Show hidden files. This one.
Yeah, delete the Git folder.
Okay.
Okay. Now press Shift, right click.
Open
Yeah,
PowerShell.
yeah. Type in git init.
Oh, get
No,
init.
no. Yeah, init because we're creating a new repository.
Yeah.
Yeah, enter. No, no, without the URL.
Just get init.
Git init. Now git add dot with a space after the add. No, a space before the dot. Okay, enter. It shows you these commands also in the on the page you're on the GitHub.
Mhm.
You just know them by heart. If you go back again,
Yeah.
yeah. Some of these you can skip. I'm just doing the ones that are necessary.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, go back to PowerShell. It's adding everything to your work environment now.
Oh, it is.
Do you know how Git works?
Like, it takes what's. Uh. Hold on. Well, this project here is empty, right? There's nothing in it.
Yeah, it's empty right now. We're going to push your project right here, and every time you
We're gonna.
change, you need to commit a new
Yeah,
one.
we're gonna push the code from Cosmic to my project,
Yeah,
and then I have to
and then
commit my changes, and then I need to do a push.
yeah, and then you can keep your Ubuntu always synced easily.
Okay. Do I need to have Putty running, or it's okay to close it
Yeah, you need it running.
all the time, or anytime I want to make changes to the?
Oh, of course not. It's a machine on its own. You don't have to keep it open.
Okay.
It's not running on your machine.
Mhm.
You can close it whenever the server will continue to run.
Right. Okay.
But there is a specific way you need to run it so it doesn't close when you close Putty.
Okay.
There are several ways. I will show you the easiest one.
Okay. So now.
We're waiting for the PowerShell to finish. Click on enter.
Oops.
Okay. Now
Type what?
type git.
Mhm.
commit
Like that.
-m start open string space open string.
Like that.
Yeah. Uh, type in some initial. Type in initial commit. Close string. Enter. Now it's creating a commit, which is basically a snapshot of your entire project, which you can get back into whenever you want.
But I'm not gonna see it here until I do a push, right? Or a.
Exactly.
What's the difference between a push and a pull? I forget.
Always when you want to pull the changes from the repository, if someone commits changes
Oh.
to the repository and you want to pull the changes to synchronize with whatever he did, then you can just use the git pull.
So pull is from the repository to my machine, and push is from my
Exactly.
machine to the repository, and I have to commit it first if I want it to push.
Exactly, because you can only push commits.
Okay.
You can only push snapshots.
So this looks like it's
Okay,
done.
now it created a commit.
Mhm.
Just type git push.
Git
It will ask.
push like that.
Yeah. The first time you use git push on a new repository, you have to tell it.
The URL.
You have to tell the URL. So type.
This one,
So
right?
copy the. No, you see, they give you the line. The git remote add. Yeah, just
The whole thing. Copy.
yeah. That's just this. Yeah.
Just like that.
Right click. Enter.
Just like this, right?
Yep. Now git push. First time you push, it will ask you to push using the set upstream. Copy the git push set upstream origin master. Yeah, paste it.
Enter.
Okay, you'll never have to use this again. Enter. Just git push from now on. Yeah, log in with your user. This is fine.
Okay.
Refresh the page.
Reload. Why is it
Okay,
localhost?
you can close it.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
go back to this PowerShell.
so now I see my files here.
Yep.
Cool. Okay. PowerShell. Yeah.
Yeah, it uploaded everything. Now, go to the back to putty and make it full screen because we're going to be there for a while.
Okay.
Okay, remove the use and type in exit.
Exit.
Yep.
Enter.
Yep.
Bye.
Okay, now you're in your home directory.
Okay.
Let's create this. Let's put the server files right here. So check if you have git installed. Type in git and enter. You have it installed. They installed it for you. That's nice. Go to, just clone it right here, same way you would clone to
Okay.
using the
Clone and
PowerShell,
then.
the URL.
Oh no.
Yeah, but this time use your own repository.
Like this, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. Oops. Git clone. Right click. Enter.
Yep. It will ask you to log in.
Username for GitHub. Oh god. Uh.
It's right there.
This one.
Yeah.
I don't know my password though.
You it will not let you put your password either. You have to wait. Open GitHub.
Mhm.
Go scroll up.
Yeah, I'm all the way up.
Go back. Top right, you have the user, the profile.
Mhm.
Go to settings.
Yeah.
S- Scroll down. There you have developer settings all the way at the bottom.
Mhm.
Yeah. Personal access tokens. Tokens classic. Generate new token.
Generate a personal or new token here.
Yeah.
This one.
Uh, the classic.
Okay.
Just leave a note. Type in Maple server or something.
Okay.
Okay. Expiration. Never.
Okay.
Uh, uh, Give it control over the repository. Wait, let me see. Yeah, that's the only thing, only permission it needs. Okay, scroll down. Yeah,
Generate token.
yep.
Okay. Here's my
Okay,
token.
copy the token
Yeah.
and save it somewhere.
Save it somewhere.
Yeah, save it somewhere because it will not let you see the token again.
Get token. Okay, it's saved.
Okay, this is the password. This is the password or token you use to
Here.
pull the because you don't want to give others access to your Git if someone ever gets in on that. Do the same login again.
What did I do again?
Git clone. Just click up once.
Oh.
Yeah. The username. Now right click. The
Awesome.
authentication first. Did you copy it correctly?
Yeah.
Make sure you copied it.
Oh wait. It won't let me paste it.
Right. Just right click once and enter because when you right click it pastes it. If you click right click several times it will paste it several times.
Oh, okay. So I need to redo it. Hold on. Like that. Right click once and enter.
Yeah.
There we go.
Perfect.
Nice. Done. Oh. Okay, looks like it's done.
Okay. Now type in ls. ls is how you see what's inside the folder you're on right now
Okay.
on the file system. Click enter. You see it created a new file named Maplestory.
Mhm.
That's the name of your repository. Click type cd, which is
Change
stands
directory.
for change directory, and then space. Click on tab.
Doesn't work.
Okay, so type m and then tab. Tab will always autocomplete you
There's nothing.
to things that big case M
There we go.
will autocomplete you to things that make sense.
Okay.
Okay, enter. You change directory to MapleStory. Type in ls again. Yeah. Okay. Now, the you see the install.sh.
Mhm.
That's a file I created, which uses Maven to install all of your libraries.
Cool.
You have to install MVN for it to work.
Oh,
To install Maven, of course, we're going to use Google, Ubuntu, how to install Maven. Maven. Yeah,
Linux.
DigitalOcean, we have a guide for everything. We don't need this one. Nope. Oh, we need to. Oh, let's install Java beforehand. So, open a new tab. How Ubuntu. How to install Java.
Sudo.
Okay. I don't like this website, so go back. DigitalOcean, the best one. Okay, we don't need to update again. Check if you have Java installed, like there should show.
Java dash version like that.
Yeah,
Can I do it here? Or do I need to go back somewhere?
no, we can do it here, it's fine.
So just dollar sign.
No, without the
Uh,
dollar sign, it just shows that it's a beginning.
Java dash version. Java.
You don't have it installed.
Oh, found.
It's giving you suggestions, okay, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, so install the JRE, it's giving at the top.
This one here.
Yep, yes.
Okay.
Oh,
Nuke.
wait, click on OK, press enter. You can't use the mouse.
Oh.
Click on tab and enter.
Tab enter.
Tab and enter, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, click up twice. Enter. Okay, it installed OpenJDK version 11.
Okay.
I don't want version 11.
What did we
Let's
have? Like
delete it.
something else, right? 17 or something?
Yeah, I want at least 17.
Okay.
Let's remove it. So, just walking you through the process of how I will do it. Just click on tab again, create another tab.
Oh.
Ubuntu, how to remove Java. Yeah, the first one, first option. Yeah,
Should I copy this?
wait. Yeah, copy that.
The first one here?
Yep, copy them in order. Right click, enter.
Do all of them?
Yep, second one as well.
Whoa.
Let it finish first. Okay, okay.
Do I include this done here at the end?
Yeah, You
Good.
can copy 2 lines. Okay, now type in java dash dash version to see if it still exists. It does not exist anymore, which is perfect. Go back, let's find how to install Java latest version. Ubuntu install Java latest version. Not this one, yeah, the second one.
Do you hear this?
Yeah, scroll down. No, scroll down even further, even more. Okay, let's find another website. Not this. Just try open it. Google a specific version. How to install Java 17.
This here?
Yeah. Just yeah.
Could not open lock file. Permission denied. Are you root?
Uh, uh, Type in sudo, and then the what you just wrote. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Then just check the version.
Where in Israel are you from?
So I'm from North Israel.
North?
Yeah, next to Haifa.
Haifa. I was there. I was in all over the place. We did a whole tour. I was in Tel Aviv, Jerusalem. Uh,
A tour, or you were you traveling on your own?
no, I had like a camp that I went, a summer camp, and we did something called Shorashim.
Ah,
Shorashim.
Tiul Shorachim.
Shorashim, yeah. And we stayed everywhere. We stayed on a kibbutz. I was with the. What's that name of the? Uh, they're like Arabs, but they're Jews. They live like in the desert. The Bedouin?
Bedouin.
Bedouin, yeah. We were with the Bedouins.
Bedouin.
Yeah.
They are not Jewish.
They're not Jewish. They're Arab, but they're like friendly with the Jews.
Yeah, the Druzim are also friendly. The only ones are the who are not friendly are the Palestinians.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Check the version.
uh, check version. Yeah.
17.0,
Okay,
perfect.
that's a good version.
Okay.
That's the version we want. It's the JRE. Yeah, fine. Okay. Now, let's see. Now we want to install Maven. Now that we have Java, let's install Maven, which is how we're going to download all of our dependencies. Wait, no, not this tutorial. It should be a one command line.
This here.
Yeah, that's all. I could tell you this myself, just want you to see how to easily find stuff
Hmm.
whenever you need. How to interact with an Ubuntu server.
Check the Maven version.
Yeah,
3.6
this
maybe.
is this is fine. Now, You know how Windows is able to run .pat scripts?
No.
In Windows, you have .bat
Oh,
when you want.
yeah, batch files, yeah.
So Linux runs .sh scripts, okay?
Shell?
Instead,
Yeah, okay.
okay?
Yeah,
Type in ls,
just
enter.
just ls, okay.
Yeah, you see these two files I sent you earlier?
Yeah, the install and the launch.
Install.sh and launch.sh, yeah.
Hmm.
Install is how we're going to install all of the dependencies. And to run the install, you need to type dot space in install and just complete it with tab.
Enter.
Okay, so it completes you. Enter.
These are files that you made to. Hey, stop it.
It's a file I created. It only contains one command line of Maven to install all of the project's uh,
Cool.
libraries.
Same,
Okay, go
same,
type ls.
same thing with the other one. Launch.sh.
Yeah, wait. You see the cores folder?
Yeah.
Yeah, change directory to it.
Like that.
Yeah, use the tab more often, it will shorten
Okay.
your commands. Now ls, you see all of these? These are all of the direct file, the libraries that we installed right now.
Okay.
To go back, you type cd space dot dot. This goes back
Cool.
once.
Okay.
If you want to go back all the way back to the home directory, it's ls space and console, the button after the left of the one.
The left one. Oh, okay. This one. Shift or just like this?
S shift
Like that. It's called tilde.
tilde. Yeah, so you
Tilde.
need to type cd and tilde.
The cd tilde. Okay.
Yeah, that will bring you all the way to the home directory. Okay?
And then we do
Yeah.
dot
Now you want.
space launch
Wait,
dot.
before we do that,
Yeah.
uh, actually try to do it. Let's see what happens.
Dot space launch dot sh.
Yep.
Could not find a main class net server.
Yeah. That's because we do not have
Server.
the jar file here.
Okay.
Okay? So, to do that, let's open WinSCP. When you want to move files around with ease, we use WinSCP.
Okay.
You need to connect to it the same way you connected to PuTTY earlier.
I need my IP address.
Yeah. Do you want to change your VPS's password or do you want to keep the one they sent you?
I'll keep it. I'll just keep this
Okay.
email. It's easier. Okay. Host port is what?
Port is fine, just username is Ubuntu and the password is whatever they sent you.
Here. Oh wait. Log in.
Yeah.
So if you know my IP and my username password, you could technically connect to my server if you wanted to.
Yeah, I can connect to it unless you. If you change the password, I cannot.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cool. Log in.
Uh, yeah, I wanted you to save it, but
Oh,
yeah, click yes.
nice. I see my folder here.
Yeah, wait, but go back. Click on new session.
Where?
New session on the top left. right, down, the right, yeah. Do it again, but this time click save. Just so you have it saved
Mm-hmm.
easily. Save, in, save password as well, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Close.
Next time you can just double click it, it will be saved though.
Okay. I can close now.
Yeah, close.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Now you see that the dist folder is missing, right?
Yeah.
You can include the dist folder in the Git repository, but it's not recommended because it's redundant. Right click here, new directory, name it dist. Okay, go inside it and just drag and drop the friends jar we created earlier. It doesn't have to be from there, you can open the Explorer as well.
Where did we create it?
In the dist. Yeah. Every time you update anything in the source code and compile, you just uh, you need to drag and drop to update.
Okay. So good. Now we can go back to putty.
Yeah, now try to run the launch again. Let's tackle the next issue. See?
Nice.
Do you remember why it's hanging there?
Yeah, because the MySQL is not configured.
Yeah, so click Control C, that will terminate it. Okay, now open WinSCP again, go back once, open the config.yal, the config, yeah. Okay, scroll down to the database configuration. Yep.
It was admin.
Uh,
No.
no, localhost is fine
Oh right.
because the database is hosted on the same server as the
Okay.
that.
Root is good too.
Yeah. The reason it was not able to connect because root will not work. But let's make root work.
Okay.
Okay. Go to the party.
Okay.
Um, wait, let me remember. Wait, go to Google
Mhm.
and type uh, uh, type Ubuntu MySQL rootless connection.
Like that.
No, root root connection without sudo.
Like that.
Yeah, it's because by default MySQL will only allow you to connect to the service if you are the administrator, but you do not want to do that. Yeah, you see, this is the most top voted solution. This is the right solution.
I have to do
So
this
open putty. Yeah,
right here.
type in sudo. My, wait, type in just MySQL.
Just like that.
Yeah,
Enter.
yeah. See, it's giving you an access denied.
Mhm.
Now type in MySQL space minus u space root. Yeah. See how it's giving you right now access denied?
Mhm.
Even though root doesn't have a password, it's because it's expecting you to be the sudo. It's expecting you to be the user admin. So prefix it with sudo. Click up once, and then that's fine too.
Like that.
Yeah. Now send the commands they asked to send in the Stack Overflow thread.
Enter.
Replay. You have no user that is named new user. Click up once. Click up again. Oh, you created a new user. That's fine. Go back to the thread
To where?
with the browser. No, it's not the solution. Oh, the second one is the right solution for us.
Here.
No, below.
Here.
Yeah, yeah. This is the right solution for us.
Or do I include the MySQL part?
No, you don't have to include it because he's trying to show you that you're not supposed to send it there. Okay, enter. And the second command now.
It says 0 rows affected.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Second command too. Enter, now type in exit.
Oops. What did I do?
When you drop a line, it's enough if you do that. Okay, now click up once, click up twice, now click enter. See that it let you in even without the sudo now?
Yeah.
Perfect, now exit again.
Bye.
Now launch it again.
Launch what?
Launch the server.
How do I do that?
Dot space
Oh.
launch
Oh.
dot sh.
Yeah.
You can complete with tab. Yeah. Still not giving you, not letting you connect. Can you guess why?
Um. No, we did these. Did we do these?
No, we didn't do this.
Is that why?
Yep,
Okay.
we need to import the database. Now to do that, click on Control C, and I'll show you an easy way to do it by a command line. Okay, type in login as root again. Click up twice. Enter. Type source. Yeah. Now space delta. Now
Oh.
the one to the left to the one.
Yeah.
Uh, backslash.
Mhm.
Now the other slash.
It's forward slash.
Forward slash. Yeah. Now Maplestory.
Capital or no?
Yeah, the same way you had it there. Try to use tab. Maybe it will allow it.
No.
Okay, Maplestory slash database says, I think database says it was right. Check if it was databases or database.
Database.
Okay, slash SQL slash the file name.
Do I need to include .sql?
Yeah,
Like that?
yeah, now the dot thing,
Huh?
the ending of every line.
The ending? What do you mean?
Um, dot slash dot the end of line thing dot the
Oh, it's called a semicolon.
semicolon. Yeah,
Yeah.
enter. Okay, done. Next. You see that everything shows is success.
Yeah. Oops. Oops. Okay. Now we could do.
Okay,
Now we could try to run it.
now now we try to run it. Yeah, click type exit to exit from the MySQL. Click up twice or once, twice. Yeah, you can also click downwards.
And now what? It was
Now exit from MySQL again. Click up once, twice. Yeah, to launch. Enter.
starting world. Can
Yeah,
I now run it from here? From my
yes.
and now it's
Now,
connected to the VPN.
wait. Before you run it from here,
Yeah.
open Reddit, which we downloaded earlier. Oh, file. Open. Open. Find the client. No. No. Just, just X.
X.
Yeah. Okay, you see the IPs on the right.
Yeah.
Change it to the all three of them. Change them to the IP of the server.
Okay.
This will tell the client to connect to this IP. Okay, now file. No, the top left
What are all
file.
these? What are these?
These are strings that are embedded in the client.
Okay.
It's called the string pool. You
Okay.
can change any string you want here
That's
with
cool.
ease.
Okay.
The
File.
IPs are also kind of in the string pool, not exactly, but in the string pool.
Cool.
Save. Now give it a new name. No, no, don't replace. One is the localhost, and one is the one that will connect to the production one, where other people can connect.
Like this.
Yeah. Click on X. Oh wait, click on X.
Just want to make sure it's here. What?
It's not gonna be here because you didn't click on X.
Here X.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, created a new client. You can double click it.
Oh. It's it's reflecting it in here.
Yup, because now you connected to a remote server that's not running on your computer.
Oh. Uh. Okay.
This is a client you can give to other people and they
Okay.
can log in.
Do I?
You want to activate auto register. Do you know what is auto register?
Yeah, that's where you can just log in and it creates you an account without having to use the website, right?
Exactly. Go to idea, open the config, make sure it's activated so people don't need to ask you to create accounts.
Uh.
Look for auto register.
Auto register true.
Yeah, it's already true.
So
Perfect.
so I can go in.
You can create a new account, but you can also log in your admin account.
Auto register automatically puts user level 0.
Yep. Yes. This will create a new account.
It's fast, eh? I wanna check.
Yep.
I wanna check something. I wanna see where the server is hosted. I'm curious.
You can see in the dashboard. You know.
Go back.
It's probably in
That's where I am.
actually, I don't-
Yeah, but it's in the same city as me. Really?
go to,
Wait. Oh, it's Montreal. Yeah. Wow. It's the same city as me. Montreal.
that's perfect for you.
Yeah, it's fast.
Yeah.
So now I just need to take this. Hold on. I need to take this whole folder without this one. I delete this one and I put this on Google Drive and I can send it to people.
Exactly.
Huh. Wow.
That's a clean server. It will be hard for you to get people to join with a
And
clean
how do
server.
I appear on servers? How do I appear on this website?
You need to create an account and you can add.
Register and make an ad.
Yeah,
I just make an ad for
create.
this.
Yeah, it's easy.
How many people are? Oh, there's
Huh?
not that many pages.
Wait, digital. Ah, we're eighth place?
Yeah, you're really high up now. Uh,
Holy fuck.
this server here, which hold on. So Maple Rails is the top. This I don't know. Dream is pretty good.
Oh, it just reset. Where is Maple Legends?
Maple Legends is dead.
Huh? What do you
I
mean
think
dead?
it got shut down.
Huh?
Maple Royals is the top server. Maple Legends is not a thing anymore.
You're
I
kidding me.
don't think so. But this server Una MS, I worked with.
Wait.
Well, unless they're not on the website anymore. Maple
There's no way they didn't shut down yet.
Maple Legends.
They just removed themselves from GitHub.
Okay, never mind.
There's no way
What's
they
that
shut
girl's? Her
down.
name's Kimmy or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've used to know her. But this one, Una MS, I helped this girl. She let me on her server while it was in alpha to hack and trigger all the different things, and I was helping her test for like days on end. And she created a pretty good anti cheat with me.
It's
Um,
okay, I will create the perfect one.
so you're number
I'm
8.
I'm surprised we're number 8,
That's
I'm
really
not
good.
gonna lie. We only got 8th place because we paid for the we get when you pay for the $15 every month you
Oh,
get free 150 votes or something like that.
I see. Oh, it's based on votes. I see.
It will probably go down, but yeah,
Cool.
I'm
So you need to have.
surprised with that.
So I mean, and you have how many members now?
What do you mean?
How many people are in your server?
Not much. I don't know.
Like 100?
Uh,
50?
so counts, yeah, more than 100
But this goes by monthly votes or daily votes?
monthly votes. It
Okay,
resets every in the beginning of the
I
month.
see. Okay, cool,
Yeah.
cool. Okay, so the server's up. So this I put on Google Drive. People can auto register. Why did I get disconnected?
Or there is another reason why you got disconnected.
Client created. Oh wow. Oh, so that remember that time you said that I got banned and I was spamming the attack packet? Was that seen here?
Yeah, that's how I see it, but it's also logged to a file, and I added my own anti-hack that is not here.
Okay, yeah,
They don't check much here.
yeah.
Okay,
So
so,
why did I
but yeah,
disconnect?
they also they check anti-hack here, so you'll be able to see it.
Mm.
Wait, but before that, click on Control C, shut it down, because right now you can't connect to a channel.
Oh, because it's this connection here is okay.
No, open WinSCP,
Yeah.
go back once, again, open config.yaml,
Yeah.
Scroll down a bit, just a bit. Okay, you see the host,
Yeah.
LAN host and local host.
Gotta change them.
You need to change all the three addresses again to
Uh,
your server's IP.
okay.
Remember this one because it's important.
Remember what? The IP?
Yeah, that you need to make sure that these IPs are your server's IP.
Okay, I saved it. Do I need to
Yeah,
like do anything? When I make changes here, do I need to reboot the server or something?
most of the time, yes.
How do I do that?
Wait, I didn't show you how yet.
Oh,
Okay, first let's see that the server runs and everything's working. Try to run it again in PuTTY and log in.
wait. Oh, I have to do like this?
Not MySQL, only launch. MySQL is only when you want to interact with the database.
Oh, okay. Okay, it started. Or it's starting.
Okay, now you should be able to log in the server into the game.
Hey.
Okay, now you'll also be able to see other people here.
So if somebody else uses it, I can see them.
Yep, just as you would on any other server.
So it's that basically.
Any, almost there's one more tiny thing you need to know how to do,
Mhm.
because if you close PuTTY now, the server will also close.
Okay.
You can try to close and see that it closes if you want to see the solution without it happening.
Worlds and
I can
channels
also
are
show you.
offline. Okay. So how do I do it?
Okay, this is something you need to write down. Open Notepad.
Let me put it in my here. Yep.
Okay, put this on the left and PuTTY on the right.
Wait, what?
Drag this notepad to the left and drag PuTTY to the right.
Where's
Yeah,
putty?
okay. So, this is a command that will open a session that you can detach from and let it run in the background, and you can also get back to it later. In that container will run the server, and if you ever want to shut it down, you have to reattach yourself to that same session, okay?
Okay.
You'll understand how it works now. The command is called screen. We're creating new screens, we're removing screens. Type screen in PuTTY. Yeah, screen. Every time you restart the server,
Mhm.
there will be no screens. It doesn't get saved.
Okay.
So to create a new screen, you type screen
Mhm.
space minus big case S and a name for the session, for the screen. It can be, I'll just name it server because that's a good name. Enter. You see, it created, it looks like it cleared with the terminal, but it didn't clear it. It just created a new session.
Okay.
Okay? Now, inside that, run the server. Click up once.
Doesn't work.
You see that it's not
Yeah,
saved.
because it's a different
It's
session.
because it's a different session. Yeah, exactly. So run the. No, you need to change the. Oh, you're already there. Okay, run it. Yeah. Okay. When it's up and running, you can now detach from it.
How?
To detach. from the session, you click on Control A, Control Control A, Control D.
Control A and then Control D, or Control A plus D?
Control A and then Control D. Okay, you see it on top, it says you detached from something. That's the name of the server you picked earlier.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now the server is now you in during this time you can close PuTTY. You can even close it, and the server is still running. Even if you restart your computer, it has nothing to do with your computer. It's on a remote server on a cloud right now.
That's cool.
Okay.
Wow.
Now, if you want to get back, now it will always run until you restart it, until you close it, or whatnot. Now there is. Now I'll show you how to get back to it. If you want to restart it, open PuTTY again.
Yeah.
Yeah, double click the Maple server. Type in Ubuntu and then your password.
Oh god. Um.
Okay. Put PuTTY to the right again. Notepad on the left. Okay, to reattach yourself to the session, type screen space -R.
Minus
R
what?
is for reattach.
Mm-hmm.
Space. It's a small case R this time.
Oh.
Space server. Because that's the name of the session. Okay?
If I do something in the game, will it show here?
Yeah, try to damage hack.
Oh.
You can also enter the cache probably.
Wait. Oh, damage hack. I'll do this. No. Where is my damage hack? Minimum damage here. But this is called Maplestory.exe. No? It's not? Oh, it's called Prod
Mm,
NS. There we go. Let's change this to like 10.
yeah, just go to the tutorial to the monsters real quick. Or you can enter as admin and just spam monsters.
Hey!
You need to complete the quest first. Yeah, just hit these monsters. See? Okay. Yeah.
file
It
that you
will,
created. Is that by default or do you have to do it?
it's by default. Open WinSCP,
Yeah.
go
Logs.
to logs, open the cosmic log dot. No, go back. No. Go back. Logs, the cosmic log dot log. This is the
Ah,
current, what you see right now.
okay. And then this gets archived.
Yeah, this gets archived every time you restart.
I see. Aha. Very cool.
But my logs don't look like this.
You formatted them better.
Yeah, I have it a different way. More convenient for me. This is also fine.
Cool.
Yeah, if you want to detach from it again, it's the same combination of letters.
Control A, Control D.
Yeah, but remember, if you want to reattach to it, it's only with Control R, with minus R. If you use minus S again, it will create a new
Okay.
instance. Now, if you want to restart the VPS, you type in the terminal sudo reboot. But before you restart the VPS,
What do I do
make
to
sure you
restart? Sorry.
close
What's the command to restart VPS?
sudo reboot.
How long does it take to reboot?
It's a few seconds, not too long. But make sure you close the server before you reboot
Control C.
because because it will roll back if you don't close the server first.
Okay, wait, hold on. Let me just put a label. So this one.
If you want to close the server, you need to screen minus R server and then Control C. When you close the server with
Oh, because
Control
I just did
C,
Control A, Control D to disconnect without closing it.
yep.
But Control C will
But if
close it.
you Yeah, Control C
Okay.
will remain in the session, but it will close. You see, it's almost
So now if I
saving
try to
everything.
do like screen, Control R, server, it'll give me an error because it doesn't exist, right?
No, the session still exists. You only close the server.
Oh, okay.
The server and the session are two different things.
So to start the server, to restart the server.
The screen is only there so you can run it on a different
I
place.
see. Okay.
So when you close party, it doesn't close.
Okay. How do I stop the server or restart the server now? Sudo
You
reboot.
already closed it. You already. If you want to, you do you want to bring it back up?
Yeah. Oh, it's just launch,
That's
right?
yes.
Launch sh. That launches the server. Okay, wait. Starts server, and this is starts screen, and then this is disconnect from screen, but keep server and screen. Um, this one reattach screen, restart VPS. We do this.
Instead of disconnect from screen, type detach from screen because you're detaching from it, not disconnecting. You're keeping it alive.
Ah, yeah. And I should put my. I'll put this in here too. Okay.
Yeah.
So now if I want to close it, I just do sudo. What was it? Sudo dot.
You can't type right now
I can't type.
because the program is running. You need to Control A, Control D, and then you can write whatever you want. Yeah, here you can. But this would mean that you are restarting the VPS
Yeah.
while the server is on.
That's bad.
That's bad because every player that's on will get rolled back.
Oh, okay. Don't want that. So I need to do control control A, control D.
No. Right now you're detached from the screen.
Okay, so I need to do screen R. Oops. Server. Okay.
Yeah.
And now
Now you want to close the server properly?
sudo reboot.
No. Control C.
Oh, control C. Okay.
Now
Oh,
that you see that everything shut down properly,
now I could do reboot the VPS.
you can reboot the VPS. This will kick you out while it's rebooting. Now, give it a few seconds. You see it says at the top that it's inactive
Where?
at the top of party.
Oh yeah, inactive.
Yeah, it kicked you here from here as well because it shut down. Uh, you can try to reconnect, see when it's up. It's already up. Reconnect with party, right click the party icon at the top, and restart session. Log in again.
What was it? Ubuntu.
Yeah,
And now I could do ls. No, wait, I had to do cd Maplestory.
yeah.
Okay, and now I could do here, and now I do dot launch sh.
But this would mean that you are creating the game. You are launching the server in a session that is not a screen.
Not a screen. To
Meaning,
create a
if you
screen, I need to make
close
a screen.
party,
Oh,
this will also close because you didn't create a screen first.
so I create the screen and then I launch.
Yeah, after you reboot the VPS, there will be no screens.
Okay,
You need to create it.
so I do control C to close it,
Yeah,
and then I do screen S server. That makes this, and
yeah.
then I
Now
can
you
now I
created
could
the
do
one.
dot launch sh. Now I'm in a screen, so um, now I could do control A, control D to disconnect, and I can close the putty now, and it's okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Now
Wow.
the server is up and running.
That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, and I'm only giving you the shortcut.
Yeah. I mean, how long did it take you to figure all this out on your own?
Slowly but surely.
Because there's no
I'm good at
tutorial.
figuring things out.
There's no tutorial that exists currently that explains everything you just told me, right?
There is not.
Okay.
You just need to know it.
Yeah. Okay, so I got my source here. Um,
Oh yeah, so when you change code,
yeah.
you remember how to compile it?
To compile the code,
Yeah,
um, we did build. Oops. Build artifacts,
yeah.
and then what did we do next?
And now it will create a new .jar file,
Yeah, the
and you need
cosmic.jar,
to
and then I need to replace it on here.
exactly,
I replace this file. That's it.
and then restart the
And then
server.
restart the server. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Um.
And the reason we have scripts in this source is that we don't have to restart the server. So when you change scripts, especially NPC scripts, you only need to update it on the script folder on the server, and you don't need to restart the
Okay.
server.
That's cool. Oh, I have a question. Does the amount of channels affect the server that much? Like how heavy it is?
Yeah, you can open a few more channels, that's fine. You can probably open 5 or 6 and still be fine.
Yeah.
It's at the top, all the way at the top. But remember, if you change it here, it will only affect your development environment. You also need to change it on the
In here.
production environment. Yeah.
I need to go here. Scripts. Oh wait, no, not scripts. It's config.yaml.
Yup.
Where is it? Here. Here I gotta change. Okay.
Yeah, you can
Cool.
change the XP rate, anything you want.
Hmm.
Yep, and that's basically it for setting up the server
Wow.
on the Linux.
This took way longer than how long? When did we start this?
I don't know.
4:30. 3.5 hours.
I could elaborate more, but
Of course, there's so much more
I
to talk about.
try to be as brief as possible.
No, this at least sets it up. So now all I have to do is just make a Google Drive and then go on the VTop website, make an ad, put a link to a Discord server, attach the Google Drive. People can auto
Yes,
register. I don't have a website, so
you said you don't need.
yeah, I don't need. Maybe I'll make one later. So,
Yeah,
okay.
if you really want, you can create one later, or you can use an existing one.
And then I can use the website and connect using like MySQL PHP to write to the
Yep.
database, right? Yeah.
What?
Is there a template for that? There used to be a template for Maplestory website, private server websites.
Yeah, there's MapleBit if you want. If you don't have much experience with websites, you can use
I have a
MapleBit.
bit, but can you link me to that? What is it called?
Just type in Rage Zone, MapleBit, or GitHub, MapleBit.
MapleBit
Yeah, BIT.
content
Yeah,
management system
yep.
index. Okay, this is okay. Cool. So I can uh, where do I host this?
You can host it on the same server.
On my VPS?
You can, yeah.
Really? Okay, maybe I'll do that another time. Uh,
Okay.
okay. Wow, I'll have to. I'm gonna close all this. Okay, let me stop my recording.